Udimi lets you earn extra money by inviting the new users to the site. You may find the unique referral link on the affiliates page. Once the user was registered on Udimi using your link and then made a purchase, you'll earn 15% on each order. Each user that was registered with the affiliate link also gets $5 discount on the first order. You can customize the landing page shown to the users that have followed your affiliate link. For example, you can add your own header, video from YouTube, customize the text, or add the direct purchase boxes to the page. Thank you page shown to your referrals after the successful registration could also be customized. You may add your custom text or even YouTube video. You may also set up the automatic welcome message to the referrals. Such message will be sent once the user is registered. It may include greetings, some helpful tips, or any other info. The detailed stats for your referrals is available on the affiliates page. Hard-coded referrals are the users who come to Udimi via your link and bought the solo. You're getting the commission from their every order. Cookied referrals are the users who used your link to register but haven't bought yet. Gone are the users that were your cookied referrals before but bought their first solo via the different affiliate link. Unfortunately, such users will bring profit to another Udimi member. Traffic statistics is available at the bottom of the page. You can select any period of time on the graph and see the monthly revenue. You can always see how much money was earned from your affiliates. Partner rewards are credited to your Udimi balance 35 days after the solo has been delivered by the seller. Check Money page to see the earnings. The funds may be spent on Udimi or withdrawn to Payoneer or PayPal account. You can earn even more on Udimi by contacting the sellers directly. Although the standard affiliate commission is 15%, each seller on Udimi can give greater rewards to the selected partner. It can be even as high as 90% of the order total. To use the custom affiliates feature, the seller should browse to the settings and then to the seller setup page. Then the new custom affiliates agreement should be created. Give your profile link to the seller and let him choose the amount of the commission fee. Get the special link from the seller and earn more money on all orders made with this link.